In today's video, we're going to be knocking the dust off this old Z3. And no, it's not your grandpa's old Z3. It might have a little turbo on it. Yes, it has Holley fuel injection and a junkyard 5.3 with the cam. In this video, we're going to change the rear end out in it. We sent it a little too hard and exploded it. We should probably put this thing up in the air. Not gonna lie, I want to see what kind of carnage is inside there. Upon further inspection, found the problem. So let's go back to the junkyard and grab one of these. She's a little loosey-goosey. I'm back at the pull and pay to get the axles I left behind. So let's go see what kind of treasures we can get in that there junkyard. Here it is. Damn, this thing's a beauty. Yeah, take that apart. And we got both of them. Let's get this floppy jalopy out of here so we can go full send it again. Maybe make some tire smoke. It's not supposed to be like this. Let's put this new used one in. See if we can't stick her in the hole. She's tight. She's nice and tight. I even lubed it up. All right. Little persuasion. We got the Persuader 1000 out now. Shh. Come on, baby. I feel you in there. You're moving. Good girl. Ooh, yeah. I think I bottomed her out. Anti-seize. The shit that gets all over you all the time. You look at it, and it gets all over you. Alright, put this here nut on the shaft again. Why does that nut feel like it's not going on there straight? She just needed a little persuasion. Tighten her down by hand first. Then give her the chingus. Alright, pop this new one in. Don't forget to torque these to manufacturer's specs, okay? That'll do. Oh, this might blow my nuts out. Oh. Maybe not my nuts, but maybe my back. These European wheels. I got studs for them. It's like you bolt them on. Why can't it be just American? Because then you wouldn't have cool stuff like this. We are so close to going to have fun activities. Well, you guys didn't see this, but I did a nut and bolt check underneath the car. Because you never know. Factory torque specs, check. I kind of really want to hear what it sounds like without the muffler. Childish of me, but yes, I want to hear. All right, let's fire this thing up. That's kind of cool. All right, enough horseplay. Let's go drive this thing. No more grabbing gears right now. Stock axles, this thing don't like it. Especially with the T56 with the twin disc clutch. Yeah, buddy. go pick up my son in this next week from his camp. He's gonna love it. What do we got over there? A little Supra? I wonder if it wants to play. We made it home without breaking it again. Now it's time to go get this thing cleaned up for this weekend and go catch ourselves some coyotes. So stay tuned.